Walking stick? What, a better one? Alright folks, we're back at Makamakaole Trail. Gonna take the right trail this time up to the other waterfalls. Supposed to be like 3 or 4 more waterfalls. Oh, look at this big stick. Use that one. It's bigger than you, try. Oh, it's light. What are you talking about? It's super light. Cloudy day. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Ooh, it's slippery already.
What if there's a flash flood and then we can't get out?
High ground. Maybe we'll see prawns this time and bring home some lunch. But guavas on the ground already. It does seem more overgrown this time. Crazy how it changes so quickly. Oh, I see the mosquitoes this time. That's a fallen tree that was new. We must have went during a time that was really dry, so there wasn't much mosquitoes. So I believe this is where we split up the last time. We went left the last time, and this is the right trail that goes up the hill. Oh, it's kind of steep right here.
We gotta go back down after and
Here to there, to there. Definitely more challenging than the last time. So slow though. I can feel my heart pumping already. Hey look, we're back on this trail. So I guess we didn't need to do that. But it was a fun experience nonetheless. So we gotta find the other way up. Did you go this way? Oh, that way. We're going here. I feel like we're supposed to be up there. Is there another trail that went upwards? I remember there was another crossing ahead. Starting to smell really fruity now. Are you going through the bamboo? Oh yeah, you found the better route. Oh, branch in my shoes. So this is a famous banyan tree on this trail. Really cool looking. Look at that branch growing out of the root. Trippy. Looks like they sprayed all of these ginger. See how the ginger is yellow?
Yeah.
I think they sprayed it.
Yeah. I was about to say
I think this is the one. So this is the split. We went left the last time up this stream. I believe this is where the other waterfalls are. Did you guys go all the way to the end?
Yeah, it's not that far.
You can hear people already having fun.
Yeah, there's another pool up there.
Do you have to climb it?
Yeah, you have to climb the rope.
So where you came down, is that where you went up?
Yeah, you climb up and then there's like a little ledge kind of where you can go to the other pool.
Here comes the rain. Sky is getting gray, so probably a good time to get out of here. Alright, leave a like, subscribe if you can. See you on the next one. Made it out just in time before the rain comes. Another casualty of our explorations.